Behold the new Macan, a seamless fusion of timeless elegance and cutting-edge performance. Outside, it echoes the classic lines of its predecessor, while inside, it channels the sleek sophistication of the Cayenne. But it's when you hit the road that its true spirit shines through, marrying refinement with the exhilarating thrill synonymous with Porsche SUVs. But here's the twist. It's electric. Yet there's no flashy e-Macan or Macan EV labels in sight. This isn't a vehicle shouting about its eco-credentials. It's simply the new Macan, effortlessly gliding along powered by silent, efficient batteries. No gimmicks here, just pure Porsche excellence. Unlike its counterparts, this Macan doesn't cater to range anxiety or virtue signaling. There's no need for green badges or whimsical plug-shaped wheels. It's a bold step forward, yet delivered with an understated confidence that speaks volumes. In a world clamoring for attention, the new Macan whispers its arrival, confident in its own skin. Unveiled with flair in January, the all-new Macan is now ready to grace the roads, with a starting price of $78,800 or $69,800 in the UK. Positioned to take on the upcoming Polestar 4 and the venerable Jaguar I-Pace, this electrifying addition to the Porsche lineup promises a thrilling ride that rivals its competitors. Comparing its pricing dynamics, the electric Macan 4 steps up the game with a $16,000 premium over its predecessor's base model, or just $4,300 more than the outgoing Macan S, all while delivering comparable straight-line performance. Meanwhile, the electric Macan Turbo introduces Porsche's smaller SUV into the coveted six-figure realm, priced at $105,300. Impressively, it stands its ground against the $109,000 Maserati Grecale Folgore, boasting superior speed, power, range, and quicker charging capabilities. Enter the arena, the Audi Q6 e-tron, sharing its foundation with the Macan, both built on the innovative premium platform electric PPE architecture, a collaborative effort between Porsche and Audi. Powered by an 800-volt system, the Macan's 100 kWh battery, with 95 kWh usable, can charge at up to 270 kWh. Though slightly trailing the Taycan's remarkable 320 kWh maximum charge rate, the Macan can still juice up from 10 to 80% in an astounding 21 minutes, according to Porsche's claims. Prepare to be electrified. Porsche has a clever solution for those moments when potent public chargers are hard to come by. With the innovative premium platform electric, PPE, underpinning the Macan, plugging into a standard 400-volt charger triggers a seamless transformation. The 800-volt battery cleverly splits into two 400-volt packs, enabling charging speeds of up to 135 kWh without the need for a high-voltage booster. At home, the Macan gracefully refuels at speeds of up to 11 kW, ensuring effortless convenience. On the road, its regenerative braking system dazzles, reclaiming energy at an impressive rate of up to 270 kW. Currently offering two exhilarating versions, the Macan 4 and the Turbo, Porsche promises even more electrifying options on the horizon. For savvy electric car enthusiasts, the Macan 4 steals the show with its superior affordability, extended range, and robust power, surpassing all expectations for a family SUV, even one adorned with the iconic Porsche emblem. Both models share the same formidable battery and dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup. The Macan 4 unleashes a mighty 300 kWh, 402 horsepower in overboost power mode and launch control, sprinting to 60 mph in a breathtaking 4.9 seconds with a top speed of 136 mph. For those seeking pure adrenaline, the turbo variant elevates the experience with a formidable total output of 470 kW, 630 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 mph in a jaw-dropping 3.1 seconds, reminiscent of supercar performance levels. Brace yourself for electrifying excellence. Prepare to push the limits with the Macan's exhilarating top speed of 161 mph. While official EPA range estimates are still under wraps, Porsche's impressive WLTP combined range projections offer a glimpse into the Macan's electric prowess, with the Macan 4 reaching up to 380 miles and the turbo clocking in at 367 miles. During our exhilarating test drives, Wired experienced the sheer power of both models, particularly the turbo, where our average energy consumption translated to an impressive 3.5 miles per kWh, hinting at a potential maximum range of around 330 miles. Beyond its striking resemblance to its predecessor, the new Macan boasts a host of physical enhancements. Sleeker, lower and wider, with an extended wheelbase by a remarkable 86 millimeters, it exudes an aura of dynamic elegance. Lower seating positions and a pronounced front splitter hint at its unapologetic on-road focus, signaling a departure from any off-road aspirations. While lacking in traditional off-roading metrics like departure angles and wading depth, the Macan's all-wheel drive ensures an unrivaled on-road experience. Delving into the details, the Macan 4 and turbo showcase subtle exterior tweaks, teasing the keen-eyed with a game of spot the difference. Especially striking are the larger 22-inch wheels, a nod to the luxurious extravagance reminiscent of exotic supercars. Times have certainly changed. Remember when 18-inch wheels were the epitome of exoticism? Brace yourself for a new era of automotive excellence. Let's dive into the aesthetics. The Macan is a vision of style, commanding attention with its striking presence on the road, complemented by headlights reminiscent of the iconic Taycan. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that mirrors the elegance of the larger Cayenne, now enhanced with thoughtful upgrades. Notice the sleek drive selector elegantly emerging from the dashboard, a departure from the conventional center console placement. And let's talk about that impressive 10.9-inch touchscreen. Powered by an Android-based operating system, it sets a new standard for responsiveness. Throughout our two-day adventure, it never missed a beat, seamlessly guiding us with its top-notch navigation system. With local high-speed chargers clearly labeled, we never felt the need for the Macan's wireless Apple CarPlay. But for those who prefer the familiarity of CarPlay, rejoice. The Macan now seamlessly integrates navigation prompts from your connected phone's mapping app right into the 12.6-inch driver display. And let's not forget the convenience of wireless charging, nestled in a cooled dashboard cubby, ensuring optimal efficiency without risking overheating. And here's a nifty addition: the optional secondary 10.9-inch touchscreen, strategically placed ahead of the front seat passenger. Finally, with its extended wheelbase compared to its predecessor, the new Macan offers an abundance of space in the second row, ensuring ample headroom for passengers. But it doesn't stop there. Boasting a generous 40 liters of cargo space in the trunk, along with an additional 84 liters in the front, it outshines even the spacious Kia EV9.